嗰啲我係諗過，真係我唔想再活落去啦。咁有時我去日本咪瞓，即係飲到最尾咪瞓覺。
It's the most expensive thing that I lent someone. A lot of money. It was at that time like 40% of my income. It disappeared, vanished, bro. Relations fucked up.
最重要唔係嗰件事，最重要係一齊360。對我嚟講啊，即係譬如話你呃咗錢啦，即係呢啲物質上嘅嘢，我會覺得哦 OK，咁我通過我努力，我再得翻咪得咯。我覺得最唔開心同埋最心理嚟講最 down 嗰時咧，係乜嘢諗法都有諗過啊。咁咪覺得我乜嘢都唔想做，好似覺得我自己都唔知自己係邊個。譬如話負能量嗰啲，我係諗過真係我唔想再活落去啦。係有嘅，我真係有時亂到都唔知自己點過。咁有時我去日本咪瞓，即係飲到最尾咪瞓覺啦。我係完全唔會相信自己會去揾走呢條路，即係去逃避，因為唔知點 handle 啊嘛，麻醉自己咯。我自己覺得我係捱到嘅，但係即係有時呢啲咁嘅嘢，我真係 hit 到我嗰時，我真係 I don't know。